In this video, I'll show you how to remove about info on Facebook 2025. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you have previously added anything about yourself right in Facebook and you want to remove the about info, what we're going to do right now you can look at the about. Right, if I click on the about, you can see lots of things. Right, if you have added your workplace, your secondary school, university, current city, like all this, right, all this, literally all this. If you want to remove it, you can just come on here, edit it and remove it. Right, I want to use, for example, if I want to remove, let me see my email right now. Click on this. Right, you can see it's only me that can see this. Right, so you can see add or remove email address. So you can do this for the rest of all this. Right, so all this about here, you can do this if you want to do this. This is basically how you can remove about info on Facebook 2025. If you found this video, share those below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. See you all in the next video.